Mm-mm-mm. Morning, Bruno. How we doing? How are we doing? Mm-mm-mm. Sorry, still trying to get set up here. What is the volume looking like on this bank holiday? Okay, we'll see. Fine, you. I'm good. I've been trying to figure some trading
Oh my
stuff out the last
god,
couple days. Dude, your brother should be arrested.
dude, isn't that disgusting?
That is an absolute crime.
Like,
It's like you're trying to take every surface of stuff, and like it's like you gotta be trying to not clean that up. Like,
dude, it's really fucking painful. Like that was literally from yesterday. It's Sunday. You came over and it was clean in there.
yeah,
Like, I mean, not saying it was super clean, but like,
for my house, it was super clean. Yeah, that's terrible.
and now he's gonna wake up and I'm gonna be like, dude, can you please fucking clean up? This is disgusting. And then he's gonna be like, ugh. And you're like, oh my god.
Yeah, that's a talent.
And it's like, I'm fine, like, leave you can leave stuff in the sink. I'm fine with dishes in the sink. It's like
Yeah,
eventually
I
we
don't
can
know
do
what the
them.
fuck he's doing. That gets me
That's
idiot.
just it's like I just don't know how it's like you leave a pot with
He left
fucking your
everything out.
cooked pasta on the table, so then it's just there's like crusty old pasta in the pot.
Yeah, that's it's a crime.
And then like in the sink, there was like a half-eaten taco that he just like threw in the sink. It's like, dude, what are we doing?
uh, mm-mm-mm. Alrighty. I don't know how it's gonna be today.
I figured it would just be low volume, but
I felt like
maybe.
last bank holiday where like everything was open still. It was just the bond market moved like a regular day.
We'll see. Maybe it won't. Maybe you won't even notice a difference.
Yeah, it's just the bond market. don't know. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna see if we do anything.
Yeah. You gotta wait for some stuff to. You gotta be like a little apprehensive to start, I think.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be a 10-point type of day based on this. But we'll see. I don't need anything crazy. Oh wait, I gotta pick my for the future stuff. PA 44, 48. Okay, what is going on here? How are we doing, Elton? What's going on? I'm trying to. I don't know why when you pass my Fund of Future accounts, they don't go away. Like, why are these not gone?
What?
It gave me my 5 accounts for it, but it didn't get rid of.
Really? Mine always go away.
Yeah, I think mine don't. What is it? 55, 56, 59. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I don't know why. How many accounts do you have? See, it's a good question. I have 14 Apex PAs. Like, why are these here? It's such a nuisance. I got renewed on some Apex accounts, which sucks because I think I paid like fucking $93 for them because I didn't even know that they were there. So I think I have 19 fundeds right now, 14 Apex, and I just passed the 5 of my Fund of Futures yesterday.
How'd
But
you
I don't
have
know.
Apex accounts that you didn't?
I got fucking renewed at like $93 a pop, I think, which sucks because
Well,
they like changed their website thing, and so I went on there and it like didn't say I had any resting ones because I don't remember what the fuck I buy, and then all of a sudden I just started getting emails when I was out, and it was like, "You're buying an account right now," and I'm like, "No, please."
that sucks.
Yeah, so I just wasted a bunch of money. Trying to be like you, my G. What, a degenerate with your money just because he's too fucking stupid to pay attention? Don't be. I don't even know how much money I spent this year on props. I was gonna try to keep track of it. I know how much I've made, but I don't even know. I mean, I've definitely spent over 10K in props. But I mean, I guess it's worth it. But I don't know. I could definitely choose to be a little bit more responsible. Like, why are these here? It's so annoying. Because now, if I want to do my highest account at the top, just fucking these ones. Oh my god. I don't know. You trading today, Elton, or no? I would have to assume you're at least looking if you're here, but. I mean, This kind of looks like we want to. No, no, no. Actually, we're trapping on both sides. No, you're not trading? It just felt like price action was good last. I don't remember what was the last bank holiday. What was it? What are we in November?
I forget what it was,
Was
but
it
I
like
didn't even.
Columbus? It was Columbus Day. Was it October? I think so. Yeah, you weren't even here, right? You were at Jack's.
Yeah, I was still at Jack's.
Let me see. Can I go to that day's price action? Oh shit. I don't remember what day it was. So I'm trying to learn how to use the STDV. What is that? Some forward testing. What is STDV?
I have no idea.
I have no idea either. I don't even think I've heard of that. I don't know. 15-minute, we look like we might just continue the trend down. We're kind of spiked above and trapped above those highs. Standard deviation. I've heard of that. I don't know if I think I've heard Ku say that, so it can't be good. No. On the fib tool. What is that? Or like I know what the fib tool is. Like, what does it mean though? Like you're practicing. I don't know. I don't know what. I only have the 0.5 selected. I don't have anything else. I remember him saying like -2 standard deviation. I just don't know what that means. I feel like we're gonna go short here. Just don't know if we're too early yet. I don't. Do we have news? Not really. No. It's just hard to play. I feel like it's kind of hard to trade this, or not trade this, but it's just like not the same momentum I feel like you'd see on a regular day.
Yeah.
I was honestly thinking about getting short right there. But let's see. What would it take to gift your Kenyan fan funded account? How do you even pay the activation fee?
Give him my iPhone of futures. There's no activation fees.
Yeah, it's just more expensive. How much is my Fun Futures account right now?
It's $77.
Is that less than that?
That's 77.
What did they What did I feel like I just got it for like just cheaper than that.
There was a sale for Halloween. I'm listening to them right now because they're implementing a new like plan or something.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I took a stab at that. I got a terrible fill. We'll see what happens.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I got
Stop filled.
stopped out. It's fine. Got an absolutely atrocious fill, but we chop right back up anyways. Spencer, have I been paying quarterly taxes? No, I have to pay taxes. No, I'm just gonna have to pay all at once or whatever. I don't even know how that works. I'm gonna get fucked on taxes this year because I don't know like how it works. This will be the year I figure it out. Like I made an LLC and shit, but I don't know how fucking any of it works. It's not like they tell you. Funded Next Futures doesn't have activation fees. How much is a Funded Next account? You feel on taxes? You're thinking the same thing? You're gonna get fucked on taxes? Yeah, I have $2,000 check coming soon though. Gambling all of that. Yeah, I don't know if how real that is or what the deal with that is. I knew we wanted to go short. I knew it. I knew it. Field here. I would have been like fucking wicked out. Shucks. It's fucking 22 degrees here. God damn. Yeah, I think we're chilly out here today too. But I don't know, but it's actually warm in my house. Yeah, it's 34 here. But damn, 22 is chilly. Good morning, Joel. Yeah, me either. It's a good thing to worry about, but I have no idea how to do it. Yeah, exactly. Like, there's just like no. Wow, we are done. There's just no. I don't know. You just gotta kind of wing it. The whole thing's just a wing it. You're like, okay. Even like with last year, yeah, I made some money trading, but I'm like, fuck this. I'm not fucking paying taxes on this. They can come get me if they want. Like, I'm not filing for like fucking $7,000 or $9,000, whatever you get paid. So you just gotta wing it. And then this year, I'm like, all right, I know I'll have to pay this year.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's gonna work, but. A 25K account goes for $79. Dude, that sounds terrible. Is it what, straight to funded? It's like more expensive for a 25K account than a My Fun of Users 50K.
They just implemented
how-
like their daily payout rule, but it sounds exactly like Take Profit Trader.
Gotcha. Probably is. It's a good model.
It's like, oh, you got to get to 52,100
Yeah, and you can take out
to
everything over that.
request, and then you have to take out a minimum of $500 after that.
Yeah, and then what is it like per percentages?
It's 80/20,
Yeah,
but it's
so,
$127, so it's like
yeah.
just it sounds more expensive, but also I think you can pass their account in 2 days.
How many dollars, Elton? How much? What is the wage of like a say my phone futures? It's like $77 or whatever the fuck it is, $75 or what is like the wage of $75? Like how long would it take you in Kenya to make that? What happens if you don't pay taxes? You get audited,
And then they tell you to pay taxes.
and then they tell you to pay taxes. It's I don't know. I don't understand because you can get sent to jail for tax evasion, but paying your taxes is not illegal. I don't think, which I don't know how that works.
Tax evasion's different than not
That's
paying your
like
taxes.
actively, yeah. What tax evasion is like doing like loopholes and shit
Tax
like that.
evasion, tax evasion's like
Like
if
saying
you
you
have a
fucking have
company
a
and say like,
business
oh, I
expense
had
and
a
then
hundred thousand
yeah,
dollars worth of expenses, even though
yeah.
you really didn't. Like that's because you're actively doing something to like accept your taxes, which is different for some reason than just not paying your taxes.
I should learn the best ways to get around taxes, but it's so much paperwork. Do you have an LLC, Tuckas, or no? Like, you could move states for a year. That's a way I know people avoid. They just keep moving. Yeah. Yeah. Like, what?
I
How
don't
much
think
is
that
the penalty for being audited? Because it doesn't seem that bad. It's like, all right, I don't know how much I want to pay, or like how much I should be paying. If you're gonna tell me how much after a while, anyways, then I'll just wait for you to tell me. But I'm sure it's like some big fucking. And then they're like, well, you haven't been paying taxes this whole time, so you have to pay interest on what you haven't paid, plus the fine and this, and then you got to pay double or whatever the fuck it is. But like, if they would just tell you and be like, oh, you just owed this much amount, and then you just got to
I
pay
don't
that
think
much,
they
that'd be
can
sick.
add on a. I don't think they can add on a. It's like it's more of like they're just like, oh, you have to pay all these taxes. Here's $30,000 worth of taxes you have to pay. Now you have to pay it in like a week, or you start paying fines on it.
See, that doesn't even sound that bad. I mean, it sucks for people if you don't have the money because you already spent it or whatever. But for me, it's like you pay that easily.
I'm pretty sure it's like that. I just think the bad part of it is more like once you get audited, you're just like on their radar, so you can't like, and they're like
Yeah,
more looking at you, and people don't like that, I guess. But they fucking know everything anyway, so I don't know why I'm at.
yeah. It's not like I'm doing anything shady. Like I don't. Uh, take like a month, give or take, when I'm a student, so I ain't making much. Let's see. What you trade ICT? Have you ever had any funded accounts? Or like, have you bought any prop firms, or have you just strictly been paper trading?
There's no way it would like. It takes you a month to buy one account.
Let's see. Let's look up the wages of Kenyans. Minimum wage Kenya. It says Kenya's minimum wage varies based on industry, location, and child type, but a recent general range is set at 15,120 per month. This figure is a 12% increase from the previous rate and reflects efforts to combat inflation and improve worker welfare. Minimum wage Kenya converted to USD. Minimum wage in Kenya. $100 USD is 12,780, and you guys are making. Is that right? About one shady one, then got a small payout, then the firm shut down. Jesus Christ, that sucks. Did they pay you at least or not? So it'd take you a little less than a month for one account. Jesus Christ, I think I'd fucking kill myself if I was in Kenya. They paid you like $50. Dude, is Kenya nice? Can I just fucking move to Kenya, dude? I'll never have to work again, even with the funds I have now. It's like a day's paycheck was like, what, I was making like $500 a day? Is that what that was? You work 60 hours at $60 an hour? What is it? Yeah, like $480 a day. Call it just 500. That's like every day is a month's wages. Jesus fuck. Can you trade my funded futures or no? God, this is what I'm talking about, Johnny. This is why I believe it's pretty nice for foreigners since your currency's overpowered over here. Yeah. This is this is what I'm talking about. Where I say it's anybody from fucking America or like the UK or something like that. Like doesn't have to be poor. Like these people, but fucking this dude from Kenya, that's a bitch. I don't even know if he's here.
I'm here.
Wow.
I don't really get what you're. Like, what do you mean?
Like,
What was the math of it?
it takes him a month to make $100 for a minimum wage. Over a month, but that's like $75 or whatever. Like I was making.
Just come to the United States, work a week, and then just fucking go home, and you're filthy rich.
I don't think you can get to the United States. Like $100 is a month. It's like I was making 5 months' wage a day.
Dude, I was making $100 an hour if I was working overtime.
Yeah, if you're working over like that's the thing. It's like my
But like that's what I'm saying. In
my
like
regular
reference,
day was
like
like $500. That's 5 months. It's like you work for fucking 2 days and you're like, okay, I bring back yearly salary. That sucks. My Fund Future has restricted Kenya, so I can't buy an account from them. Is Funded Next fucking sketchy? I don't want you getting scammed. What's it called? Funded Next.
so how much does it cost you for like a gallon of milk, for example?
If I had to guess, it'd be like $20 or whatever it would be. like there to others. Do you trade Forex or futures? Okay, well, it does have futures. Nothing like being a Kenyan and trying to get into trading, dude. That sounds. You think people don't believe in it over here? You are the dumbest person alive over there, they must think.
Are you thinking about longs around here?
We're still getting stopped by that EMA there. I mean the VWAP. We're in a downtrend.
Oof.
I took the short. I was just freaking a minute too early. Just a futures and sports, pretty so. I'm gonna pay my fucking what I get monthly for my affiliate. Do you have Venmo? Right now, I'll be a good Samaritan. I'll help out a Kenyan. Which one account? I have PayPal? Fuck me. I don't think I have PayPal. I figured you were gonna have Venmo.
You just gotta come back. I blew it.
Can I have another, like, tomorrow? I would trust a guy more who couldn't buy one himself, honestly. I mean, what, he said he had one and he got it to a funded account, or he got paid a payout, and then
If you got a payout in it, then you should have made bank.
Well, he said he did it like from some sketchy Forex firm. And then they paid him like $50. That's a good part. If you can get one fucking if you can get like one payout, you get one minimum payout from one of these things, you make like $500. That's crazy. Like, it's just a crazy amount. Pot Tussie's not from Kenya. That's what I was gonna say, Flag Poppy. I was gonna say, wait, I need you to. I'm like, wait. Because I don't like to trust people on the interwebs here. So how do I prove you're from Kenya? Did you trade at all today, Flag Poppy, or no? Yeah, we're dumping again. And Flag Poppy, I noticed you didn't do the Clan Capital weekend raids, so it's pretty disappointing. This is a problem. We're dumping right now. I would be. I think we're gonna go short. Just. I don't know if we're just gonna fucking chop all day because we're bank.
Ooh.
Yeah. So okay. look good. Ish. Just didn't get held up long enough. No trades. Oh, I'm sorry. Still not sure what's going on with the Clouds. It's been a while. Yeah, they have like weekend things where you, like everybody like raids like together or whatever, or not together, but there's like big bases you have to attack. You get like 5 attacks per weekend or like 6 attacks or something. How'd you end up doing? The end of last week, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I've developed into more of a scalper because I realized I was just trying to do both at the same time. I was trying to like go for big targets and also like fucking have like the approach of like being scalpy and like going to break even once I'm or like trailing or I don't know. I was giving it like no room, but if I don't want to give it that much room, so I realized I can't go for big targets if I'm like want to be more scalpy and have like 10-point losses and stuff. So it's been working out pretty well. I mean, this is looking like it's gonna be my worst day. I mean, I had a losing trade to start, I think, on like Wednesday or Thursday too, but then I took another trade and won, and then took another couple trades and ended up winning. But I don't know if I'll get any more chances today, just because I don't know. We're not moving terribly, but I don't know how aggressive I should be in a bank. I don't know if I want to lose $600 on a bank holiday. We'll see. We will see. Wanted that to come up a little bit higher before it started rejecting. At least to the 15-minute opening range, because then the EMA was right above that, and I was hoping it would just hit one of those and reject, but kind of front run it a little bit. Not been doing great, to be honest, up and down. I got to.
He's really pushing for this account from you.
I mean, yeah, it makes sense. If he is from Kenya, and I was talking about doing it, I would be excited if I got some dude to pay for my fucking... That's a month's wages I'm giving him. I'd be pressing too. How do I prove you're from Kenya? That is the only issue. Oh, I'm about to hit the sell button.
Order filled.
shipped for me. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. That's not a good candle.
Stop filled.
Awesome.
Alright, I'm just done after that. I'm not trading that enough. I took that same thing.
Let's see. I mean, if I just got in, I mean, I don't know. It was a nice rejection off the thing, and then I was gonna enter right away, and then I was hesitant, and then we're gonna end up fucking going lower too. We're just, fuck. I don't know. It's just slow today. You can just tell. You can just tell. How long do my trades last on average? Not long. Doing 10 or 15 points, not long. I wouldn't even call it. I don't know, how long is that? Like 30 seconds? Are you going for a static 10-point target stop regardless of volatility? No, I was trading 15 point. Yeah, here we go. It's gonna go. I was trading 15 points some days. It just like depends on what I think. Like how volatile we are. Like I kind of just put my P&L sheet up, and I think if it looks ridiculous with like 10 points, I'll just like bump it to 15. But like, cause like sometimes you put like 10 points and it literally looks like fucking this if volume's really high. But just 10 to 15 depending on. Well, had the right idea twice in a row. It's just less. You can just tell there's less momentum. I don't even. I don't have to make a PayPal. That sounds like the biggest burden out of any of it. I don't even care about the money. Um. Enter at 78. And 03. Hold on. So sad.
But
I don't know. Both my trades I was fucking right. Just got wicked out.
honestly, one like God, I've been on a heater of losing streaks these past like 3 days. I literally won like 4 days in a row, and then I've just lost 3 days in a row, and like pretty much like giving it all back. But
Did you lose yesterday?
yeah, I haven't won since Thursday.
Really?
Yeah.
Just know that if you were to buy me an account, you would literally change my life. Unless you blow it. Then it's just gone into the ether. You're short 565, TP 540. 540. So you want to break out these lows here? Oh, that's a pretty candle. What's going on, Eve? Right, that we wanted to go lower twice. Just had one candle up instead of pushing all the way through. This one I did get in late-ish, but
Did you see in Clash Royale they're getting rid of elite wildcards?
TP hit. Wow, that was quick. Nice. They're getting rid of what?
Elite wildcards,
It's about time.
and they're making it so you can get level 16 troops or something.
Oh, great. Gotta. Dude, I don't want to make a fucking PayPal account. And then load money into it. It just sounds like a fucking chore. This guy's livelihood's riding on it. I'm giving him a month's wages. Oh, I actually have a PayPal account. Do I have any money in it?
Knowing you probably have a fucking shit ton of money. Just in a random PayPal account that you don't use.
I don't even know how to check.
It would just say it. Just say like account balance.
No, I don't have any. Fuck. Do I get half the money you make from it?
I'm gonna give you a free account, but I'm gonna take all the money out from it.
My friend is just doing
In
daily
the
payout.
in the
Yeah,
three
Joel,
and
I
a
guess it's
half
like a new
percent chance
thing.
that you can get a payout. I want half your earnings.
Um, Used to think trading was cool as fuck and can be the man because you do it. Now I live in constant fear even when requesting payouts for this month from using it. I live in constant fear. Yeah, but it is. You don't feel like the man. The problem is it doesn't feel cool because you put so much work into it. Like it feels cool when you make money. Uh, when it's like not when it's easy, but when you're like, yeah, like I don't know, I just click. But then like you suffer for like 2 years, and then like your payout, like you just get a payout. You're more like, oh my god, thank God we actually made some fucking money. Like it's just relief. It really is. Like anytime I get a payout, it's just more relieving. That one bad week, and you could be at nothing fighting your way to regain momentum. Yeah. I'm just happy I fucking semi pulled my accounts out of drawdown.
Order filled.
Alright, well, if this goes to shit, I'm done for the day, but we'll see. Bouncing off this EMA here, we look good on NVIDIA. Ooh. My entry holding the market up. Oh, yeah. I don't want to see a lick of green. I don't want to see it. Stop me out, baby. I don't want to see a lick of green. Oh, my God.
Great day to
Stop
trade.
filled.
Woo! Yeah, literally. Have fucking 4 great days in a row. That bank holiday. Fucking lose $600. Well, I was wrong.
That's like the first trade you were like legit wrong on.
Yeah. I mean, I didn't wait for the push down, but we were rejecting off the EMA, and I don't know. I knew if I don't know. I feel like it's hard to get a continuous push today. So I figured if I entered down at the 50s at the low of that candles, it wouldn't have worked out. But
It really is. Prop firms make you feel like you're a bad trader, even because you just can't hold trades for so long. But like, I swear, if you just swing trade and just win for like 100 points, like in a cash account, and you could risk like $2,000 a trade, dude, I feel like I'd be lights out on it. Because I feel like I like generally know where the market's gonna go. I just get wicked out for like the 20 points or whatever it is.
like what's happening right now.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Like, I
If
swear
were
that's
to wait
just
till the 50s,
it's just always the case of that.
that might have filled me. Maybe if I waited to the 50s, or it probably would have hit me break even. Would have missed me by like a tick, depending on where I got in. Shucks. I mean, that's what I did with my fun futures yesterday. I'm like, I know we're going down here, and then I just had a fucking the biggest stop ever. Well, awesome. Awesome. What a great day to come back to stream. What a great day. Just get immediately fucking rinsed. I forgot though. It's the I started out new accounts. Whenever you start new accounts, new funded accounts, you have to lose the first day. I forgot. It is the rule. I've never started an account fucking up. I swear to God. Live stream to the man.
Rules are rules.
You were cooking till you streamed again? Yeah. Yep.
So pretty much it's all your guys' fault.
Yep.
That's what he's saying.
Whatever. Bound to have a losing day. Even though I was right on all 4 trades. But it's okay. Or all 3 trades. Like that. You could be like, I showed it here, here, and here. Like, you lost on all of those? How? Peace out, Joe.
The problem with that's the problem with going for such little. It's like even when I'm
Yeah.
right, you can still be wrong. But even when you're wrong, you can still be
Yeah.
right. So I guess it goes both ways.
Exactly. Well, it's no different than last week. Last week I started $700 negative after Monday, Tuesday, and then at the end of the week I made $800. So this week we start off. In the first 2 days we're down 25 points because I made 5 yesterday and lost 30 today. So I'm gonna try to make that back. Well, shit. That's the thing. You're literally better off being in a cash account, keeping fucking $2,000 in it, not having a stop loss, trying to double it to 4, and then take out 2,000 and then do it again, and then just
That's what I'm saying.
and then because eventually you're gonna like get in when like fucking Trump tweets or something like that, and if you don't have a stop, it's just gonna run against you. But that rarely happens. Like you can basically get yourself out of majority of trade. Like you can even close when you think you're wrong and stuff, but like just literally slap no stop and just be like, okay, I think we're going this way for 20 points, and then just fucking grab 20 points. You need what, 5 days of grabbing 20 points to make your $2,000.
Yep.
With no stop. It doesn't sound that difficult. It's like very rarely does the market just run in one direction. And it's like as long as you can double more accounts than you blow, you're fine. What's your decision on your good deed, Mike? What's in it for me though? That's the problem. If I'm getting a good deed, I gotta be getting something for it, right? Let me see.
This is the opposite of a giveaway.
I gotta link a card. This is such a fucking chore.
Giveaway time, but I'm gonna make you feel super guilty for wanting it.
Oh, I don't even
Should've
know
just
the
said-
fucking code on the back because I'm a donut and I only remember my first card.
Just say come back to like tomorrow.
But can you imagine the nerve trading a live account? Must be nerve. Dude, no shot. Live accounts are stress free. I have fucking $1,000 losing days or $1,000 winning days, and I literally don't give a absolute flying fuck. I enter wherever I feel like it because I don't care. Like, that's a problem with a live account. If you're just trying to grow it, it doesn't even matter. Like, it doesn't feel like you're ever in the. It's like, oh, I want to. Like, you're better off putting in money and just immediately being like, anytime it's over this, I withdraw. Because if you're just trying to like grow the account, it's just so fucking boring that I don't care. Because there's just like no incentive because you just don't feel like you're ever gonna make any money. Because you're like, oh, I'm just gonna grow to 20,000 or whatever the case may be, and it just sucks. But, what was I gonna say? I forget. I just think today was maybe I shouldn't. Not that I shouldn't trade. Price action was fine. It's just slower momentum than. Problem with the live account is I don't know how taxes work for taking out, so I'm like afraid to take out because I'm like I don't know what like how that works. I don't have my card with me. It's in my car and I don't feel like getting it. Just come back tomorrow and I'll have it, and then you can just tell me your PayPal shit. But probably just gonna call it here. Just got absolutely wrecked. But, alrighty. Peace out, people.